So I thought I'd give you guys a quick video. I'm going to add this to my list of things. This is the tool that I use to get the crank bolt off. It's a Makita, I think how it's pronounced. This is the part number. So I tried my Craftsman. It's a basic bitch type Craftsman. I use it to change tires and everything else. This thing definitely did not get it. They claim that it's 300 foot-pounds of torque. This fucking heavy ass fucking tool definitely got it. It will definitely yank your wrist back because it's fucking nuts. But it did the trick. I got the bolt off. Another thing I say about HPJ Performance, when they do build cars, they build them correctly. I didn't realize that it was not a stock bolt in there. This is actually from an ARP stud. I can't forget the models for 11 through 20, I believe. But yeah, so when they do build things, I mean, they build it correctly. Now I am doing a cranksaver bolt, so I will be doing that. But this just wanted to show you again how dedicated that shop is to building their customers' cars correctly and right. So yeah, I know it's only a short video. I just want to show you that I did get the bolt out finally. It did have to buy a big fucking impact to do it, but it did the trick. So I know where to pull this thing out. I was told to put this in by hand about 4 or 5 turns, and it should be able to pull the rest of the way out. So that is where I'm at. I guess I'll give you guys another video once I get there. I might start tearing down. I also got the front cover. I'm a little leery because of mine does not have this boss. But if you look how this goes, it lines all up like it's meant to be there. So I'm guessing this bracket sits in the right direction. So I believe this will actually work. So I'm gonna find out, I guess. Hopefully this does work, and I'll let you guys know. I mean, because I'm looking at it, all the holes line up for it. So there's a hole. I know it keeps moving on me. There's a hole here that lines up with the bolt. There's a hole there that lines up with it. So I think this is right. I could be wrong. If I am, I mean, tell me, let me know, so I don't start putting this thing on and fuck up. But I think that's right. I think that's where this goes. So let me know what you guys think. I do see it's this stud that broke off. So, but everything else looks correct for my timing cover, except for that boss. Now I could, I guess, cut this off or shave this down, but I don't think that's gonna fuck with any of the operation of the car. So mine also doesn't have this guy right here, so I don't know what this belonged to. But if you look here on mine does not have that on either side, unless, yeah, see, so mine does not have that at all underneath here. So it is a little different. It's the same part number though, so I think I'm fine. And everything else lines right up. I mean, that part would go across here, would stop about here. So I think that's right. Let me know what you guys think. Sorry, this is kind of a short video, but it is what it is. So I will be getting the crank out. I'll give you guys a demonstration. But like I said, I got it off with this guy here. If you're having problems with it, this part number, it's about $250. You're gonna need batteries for it. This battery was about half charged when I used it, and it came right off, no problem at all. It is a little heavy, but you know, it is what it is. But that's all that I got for you guys. Any questions, just hit me up. Thanks.